Ever feel like your Facebook page needs a makeover? Maybe your brand evolved, or you just picked the wrong name to begin with. Whatever the reason, changing your Facebook name can feel like navigating a maze. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Ready to give your page a fresh identity? Let's dive in. First things first, open up Facebook and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Now look to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. Once you're on your page, you next select Settings and Privacy. And then hit Settings. You're doing great, we're almost there. Within the Settings menu, look for and click on Page Setup. This is where the magic happens. Click on Name. Now, before you go typing in your awesome new name, there's a critical heads up. Facebook only lets you change your name every 60 days. So if you recently changed it, you have to wait a bit. But if you're good to go, enter your new desired page name and click Review Change. Facebook usually takes about 3 days to review name changes, and sometimes they'll ask for additional information to confirm everything. So don't be surprised if that happens. Finally, for security reasons, Facebook will ask you to enter your password. Go ahead and do that and then click Save Change. And just like that, you're done. Your Facebook page will be on its way to sporting a brand new name. Ever struggle to find a password for one of your accounts? In this video, we show you how to find all your passwords.